Hello everyone from Expert Coin. Dates are Tuesday, June 11th. Important news about crypto are as follows. The eagerly anticipated week has arrived for the crypto and finance world. All eyes are on the U.S. inflation data and the Fed's interest rate decision, both to be announced on Wednesday. The inflation data will be released at 7:30 a.m., and the Fed decision will be announced at 1 p.m. Fed Chairman Powell will also address the economic outlook and answer questions from the press at 1:30 p.m. No interest rate cuts are expected from the Fed. Bitcoin, which rose to $72,000 last week, experienced a sharp decline following the release of the U.S. non-farm payroll data on Friday. In May, non-farm payrolls increased by 272,000, while the expectation was 182,000. The significantly higher-than-expected data dashed hopes that the Fed might cut interest rates in July. Markets are now pricing in a 45% probability of a rate cut in September. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's drop led to the liquidation of leveraged positions worth $400 million. According to Coinglass, the number of users who incurred losses in the derivatives market approached 150,000. Former CEO of BitMEX, Arthur Hayes, made another noteworthy comment in his recent blog post. Hayes pointed out that central banks around the world are entering interest rate cutting cycles, which he believes will reignite the bull market in crypto. He stated that while interest rates in Japan, at 0.1%, are unlikely to increase, other G7 countries could cut rates, which he sees as positive for Bitcoin and crypto. The prominent trader also believes that the Fed is not ready for interest rate cuts in June. According to the weekly analysis report by CryptoQuant, a blockchain analytics firm, new Bitcoin investors are making daily purchases worth $1 billion. The report also highlights an increase in purchases of assets like Ether by major players. It notes a renewed interest in Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. The approval of Ether spot ETFs has also boosted demand for Ether. Additionally, the selling pressure created by traders appears to have significantly decreased due to the unrealized profit ratio dropping to 0%. Singapore-based crypto investment firm QCP Capital stated in its recent analysis that the downturn in cryptocurrencies represents a buying opportunity. The company predicts that markets will soon begin to price in at least one interest rate cut for the U.S., which would lead to an increase in prices.